now we'll see about the calling methods. Some methods are visible to the example. For example, the mean that we are using it earlier, mean.default. But you should never call default methods directly. Rather, you can use the generic function and let the method be dispatched automatically. If you write new methods for new classes, you'll probably end up writing methods for the following generics as well: print or show, summary, plot, and a lot of other things. There are two ways that you can extend the R system via classes or methods. Write a method for a new class, but for an existing generic function, that is like print. Write new generic functions and new methods for those generics. Now, why would you want to create a new class? Now, we are going to S4 classes. So, why would you want to create a new class? So, to represent new types of data, example like gene expression, space, time, hierarchical, sparse matrices, anything like any kind of data. So, new concepts or ideas. Maybe those have been not thought of that yet. A dotted point, process model, mixed EECTs, model is pass matrix. These are examples of like advanced topics in science and technology, which haven't been thought of yet. To abstract or hide implementation details from the user. I say things are new, meaning that art does not know about them. Not that they are new to the statistical community, but they do not know about them. So if you are working in a very different field, very niche field, which is not related to any way close to R programming, so you can create new classes for your own purpose. So creating a new class in S4 or a method. So a new class can be defined using the set class function. At a minimum, you need to specify the name of the class. The name of the class first, it's a mandatory one. You can also specify data elements that are called slots. You can then define methods for the class with the set method function. Information about a class definition can be obtained with the show class function. Now, now we are seeing the S4 class or method, the polygon class. So creating new classes or methods is usually not something done at the console. You likely want to save the code in a separate file. Now, now I want to create a uh, I want to create a class polygon with a representation of x as numeric and y as numeric. So let's create the polygon in R. The name of the class is polygon. Representation of x numeric comma y equal to numeric. Now the class is created. So again, in this, the slots for this class are x and y. The slots for an S4 object can be accessed with the at operator, at the rate of operator. So plot method can be created with the set method function. So a signature is a character vector. So we saw that S4 class method needs a set method and a signature. A signature is a character vector indicating the classes of objects that are accepted by the method. In this case, the plot method will take one type of object, a polygon object. So set method plot polygon function x comma y followed by the elliptical symbol and plot of x at y, which means I'm plotting x and x at y. At function is an operator. At is an operator used to extract the slots for a polygon. So type equal to n followed by ellipsis. So xp equal to c of x at x of 1, and a yp equal to c of x at y and x at y of 1. Lines xp comma yp. So this will create a plot method which will plot the polygon in the. Notice that the slots of the polygon, the x and y coordinates are accessed by the operator. As I mentioned earlier, at is the operator which will help you access the slots for polygon. So the polygon class, what are the steps for? So you are creating a new class, set class of polygon representation x numeric, y numeric, and you are creating a plot method for this class. Set method of plot, you are using polygon, the function of x comma y, and you are just using plot. Type in lines of xp and yp, and you are just calling the function plot. So after calling this set method, the new plot method will be added to the list of methods for plot. So show methods of plot will give you the function plot and the package graphics, and x equal to any x equal to polygon. Notice that the signature for the class polygon is listed. The signature is the x equal to any, y x equal to polygon. The method for any is the default method, so it is for whenever, even I have defined for polygon, so but even then any appears because it is a default method when it is called, and when now other signature matches. So with this, we complete classes and methods. So for further readings, there are like quite a few examples on CRAN which use the S4 classes or methods. Bioconductor.org. This is a rich resource even if you know nothing about bioinformatics. So some packages on CRAN as far as you know: SPASM, GPC library, XMEX, ITS, LME4, Orient, LIB, PixMap. So the stats4 package comes with R as a bunch of classes or methods for doing maximum likelihood analysis. So with this, we complete the classes or methods.